Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce Carplay and Android Auto. Okay, this head unit is 8.0 Oriel special for BMW E39 X5 M5. Okay, let me check the system. You can find the settings. System. About machine, you can check model is PX5 processor. Android version is 8.0 Oriel system. Okay, let me check the settings. You can check Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head units. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can change the BMW logo back to home. BMW and can change this SIM color. SIM in the settings already show the. You can change any SIM color on this panel. Okay, you can change this button color, element. Okay, this is BMW. Let me show the how to install AutoKit, Carplay, and Android Auto Kit. This USB driver connect USB back of head unit. Okay, it play music automatically. You can set it in the settings. Let me install the application. This AutoKit. Install AutoKit. This AutoKit APK from us. You can contact to us get this APK AutoKit. Okay, let me open the AutoKit. Hello. Okay, you can show this plug and play if you connect insert the product. This settings. Okay, this is Carplay. Okay. It's the user menu, install menu. Okay, it supports the Android Auto. Android Auto you can check on the iPhone CarPlay. Okay, and this one is Carplay and Android Auto adapter. You can buy from us. Okay, let me check this USB adapter. This connects our head unit. This connects your phone. You must have. You can check AutoKit's USB adapter. Okay. Let me connect the back of head unit. Okay, USB. There is 4 USB on back of head unit. It will show AutoKit. Allow the app AutoKit to accept USB device. Please click OK. Okay. There is phone. Let me introduce Carplay and Android Auto at first. This is my Galaxy. Sorry. This is my Galaxy S8 Plus. Okay. Let me check the settings. About phone. You can check this Galaxy S8 Plus and software information. You can check Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay, Oreo system Galaxy S8, and you must have the USB. This is USB from Galaxy S8 original USB. Okay, let me connect the phone by USB port. Okay, other USB connect this. You see this adapter. Okay, when you plug it, it will connect. You can check this shows the Android Auto. Already connected. You at first connect Android Auto from your phone. Android Auto. Okay. When you click Android Auto Kit. Okay, it's show connecting Android Auto. Okay, it's plug and play. You have maps. You can use Waze and Google Maps. Okay, it shows Google Maps. You can touch control. You can make phone call. You have to connect the Bluetooth and music. There have no music. You can play music from Google Play Music, Spotify, and Pandora. Okay, it shows the Spotify. It do not connect the small speaker from head unit, so there is no sound. Okay. Spotify, and you also can play the Google Play Music. Okay. Okay, that's all. This Android Auto. Let me disconnect. Okay, it's show our head units. Let me introduce Carplay from. Okay, this is my iPhone XS iPhone. Okay. Okay. Let me check the settings. Okay. You can check the settings, software. You can check iOS 12.1. iOS 12.1. Okay. Let me back to home. Let me find the USB. This is original USB from Apple. Okay. This connector connects this auto kit Carplay and the AutoKit adapter. Okay. This USB connects iPhone XS. Okay, it will show the connecting. But there is just show the connecting. You have to set it in the settings. You can find the settings. You have this series and search. Click. You have below the enable Siri. Continue. Okay. Let me check again. It already shows the Siri. Okay, let me connect it again. Okay, it connects Carplay iPhone XS. Okay, you can check this menu. Okay, you can have fun. You can show contacts when you connect Bluetooth. You can make a phone call. If you do not connect the Bluetooth, you have to connect Bluetooth from your phone. Okay. It's maps. Music, you can listen to music. You can install apps from your Apple Store. Okay, that's all this Carplay. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. Okay. So you can buy the Android Auto and Carplay adapter from Belsee. You can visit our website belsee.com to get this adapter. Okay, that's all. Thank you.